By this time next week, I will be completing my final exams. Easy Speak English. English test. Future continuous. Welcome to this grammar test. Today you have 20 questions to answer. You have 12 seconds for each questions. Try to answer before the time expire. Let's start. She will be attending the conference while you are presenting your research. They will be celebrating their anniversary at a fancy restaurant next Saturday. In a month's time, we'll be traveling to Europe for our summer vacation. By next year, he will be working as a senior engineer in the company. This time next month, they will be renovating their house. By tomorrow afternoon, I will be swimming in the ocean. At this time next year, we will be living in a different city. By the end of the week, she will be starting her new job. They will be hiking in the mountains while we are having a picnic by the lake. By next summer, he will be learning how to play the piano. At this time next month, they will be hosting a charity event. By tomorrow evening, we will be attending a concert downtown. He will be studying for his exams while you are playing video games. They will be having dinner at a fancy restaurant while we are cooking at home. By next week, she will be training for a marathon. At this time tomorrow, they will be flying to Paris for a business trip. By next month, I will be working on a new project at work. They will be volunteering at the local shelter while we are gardening in the backyard. By this time next year, he will be pursuing a master's degree in economics. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos and write me your comments.